I'm in Detroit with Khadijah, flight 10 feelings rolling real. It's organic, how we speed through midnight moments, pouring vehicles. 15 minutes of fame, or 15 minutes away from finding love in the way. For is you someone to wait for? Is he trying to stay on the ride, or is he trying to leave the vibe? Take it to the hotel if you wanna slide. Renaissance drive, baby,